DJI. Hope you understand that each case is different and we need to discuss it on a case-by-case basis. Therefore, we suggest this customer contact our support team and provide some sample footage to better analyze the issue he encountered. May I ask if you any issues? Yes, my issue is I need to control my sharpness and I need to lower it down, and those are the parameter settings that are to fix the focal issue, and that is what we need to get addressed. I hope you can address my issue. Here is a sample test of the focus issue. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4.